Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can track someone's location with just phone number. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to open up your browser and then you can search for this website, mobilelocation.com. And after you have opened this website, you can enter your phone number here. And before you enter your phone number, you need to select the ID. Okay, and I'm just going to choose Indonesia, and then I'm going to enter my phone number 8. Okay, then you can click on launch. Okay, and you will get the information here. You can get the information about country, region, city, street, build, location, routes, latitude, and longitude. And you just need to wait until the information is complete. Okay, and all the informations will be displayed here. Okay guys, and that's all the way to track someone's location. Okay guys, and that's all the way to track someone's location with just a phone number. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.